Several parts of Maharashtra experiencing record rainfall, leading to huge inconvenience for commuters. Let's get you some of those images. Water from Katraj Peshwa Lake is overflowing, causing the entire road to have been closed. The dam at this location was deepened to halt the lake's overflow. The Mutha River in Pune is also overflowing. Schools and colleges have been closed. Industrial establishments granting employees a day off due to the relentless rain. The Onkarevar temple near the Mutha River in Pune was inundated. Residents were advised not to venture outside unless absolutely necessary. The Pune Fire Department deployed inflatable rubber boats to rescue residents after rainwater entered homes. Mumbai is experiencing heavy rainfall and extensive waterlogging, with the Vihar Lake, a crucial water source for the city, overflowing. Chembur in Mumbai, which always struggles during the monsoon, has in fact been completely inundated. Roads and bridges submerged in rainwater. Disruptions also were reported in the Kalina Airport area in Mumbai. Intense rainfall leading to severe waterlogging in nearby colonies. Now, a bridge over the Valkas River in Thane district has been submerged. Villagers were seen risking their lives to travel across. Heavy rain in Kalyan, Dombivli and rural areas of Thane district led to flooding in low-lying areas and traffic snarls due to waterlogging. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, Pune's Guardian Minister Ajit Pawar held a meeting at the Pune district headquarters to address the situation. Maharashtra has been battered by relentless rainfall, severely impacting several regions. Mumbai is experiencing heavy rainfall and extensive waterlogging, only made worse with the Vihar Lake, a crucial water source for the city, also overflowing. Heavy rain in Bhiwandi has led to severe flooding. Streets completely submerged. The city is inundated and residents are struggling right now. Now, the visible impact of the flooding highlights a clear failure in administrative response and preparedness. Flight operations were delayed. A red alert has been issued in Mumbai as well. In Ulhasnagar, the Ulhas River has exceeded its danger level, raising concerns. Nagpur is also suffering from heavy rain, which has led to water entering homes and causing widespread disruption. In Kolhapur district, the downpour has created a flood-like condition, while in Thane, there's been significant flooding in low-lying areas. Most parts of coastal Maharashtra now struggling due to the torrential downpour.
In what could be one of the wettest July, Mumbai has already witnessed about 1,500 mm of rain. Although just last year, Mumbai had seen about 1,700 mm of rain, but we have 1 week more to go. And it's likely that if the rain continues the way it is, then this would also be one of the wettest July. In Mumbai, although the forecast is, even for today, is of light to heavy rainfall in different parts of the city with extremely heavy, wind at places. Right now, I'm at Marine Drive, and here about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour speed. The wind will be blowing, and right here, some time back, there was heavy rainfall, but right now, there's hardly any rain. It's down to a drizzle, but intermittently, it does increase at times. And at the other end of the Queen's Necklace, you can really see there is a lot of rain. And people here really cannot stand here with an umbrella like I'm actually trying to do. But most of the, it's because of the heavy wind. and the rainfall, the IMD has asked people to take care while moving out. In fact, IMD has asked people to take precaution in case they really do not need, they shouldn't really move out. But it's going to be a heavy rainfall through the city. During last night, there was heavy rainfall, because of which there was waterlogging in some of the low-lying areas. Although in the morning, the water did recede, but with a high tide of about 4.46 meters around 3 p.m., it is expected that there could be little trouble if it rains heavily like it did last night. With cameraman Aniket in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
कैचमेंट में भी बहुत बारिश गिर रहा है, डैम में भी गिर रहा है, इसके डबल वजह से ज़्यादा पानी हुआ है। लेकिन वहाँ पर सभी लोग तैनात हैं। मैं कलेक्टर, दोनों म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर, दोनों पुलिस कमिश्नर, सबको सूचना दी है, एनडीआरएफ को दिया है। एनडीआरएफ का टीम वहाँ काम कर रही है। और मैं आर्मी के मेजर जनरल अनुराग विज, इनसे भी बातचीत की हुई है, कर्नल संदीप जी से बातचीत की है और उनको भी कहा है आपकी भी टीम अलर्ट रखो, आवश्यकता अगर लगती है तो आपकी टीम मूव करो। अभी आर्मी भी मूव हो रही वहाँ पर रेस्क्यू के लिए।
Now, Pune has been one of the worst affected in Maharashtra. The city has been inundated due to heavy rainfall, record rainfall really, and there's been widespread waterlogging across the city. Major roads are submerged, creating significant challenges for commuters. The city's infrastructure clearly under strain, and a red alert has now been issued for Pune city as well, due to which schools and colleges have been closed. Industrial establishments have granted employees a day off due to the relentless rain. Residents have been advised to stay indoors and avoid any non-essential travel.
Waterlogging cases rapidly increased throughout the area. This is a Sinhagad road, which is a prominent area of the Pune, and now the waterlogging cases have rapidly increased in the whole area. People are very scared over here. We'll try to speak to them exactly what's happening. Look, rescue team is coming with the ropes and their different equipments to rescue people from this area. Some other people, localites also helping them. Municipal corporation and the rescue teams have already been arrived. The local police administration is also there. They are working on their behalf of the government, and we'll have to see how many people are stuck inside. We'll check out exactly how many people are there and how the whole rescue operation is going on. With camera person Gopal Harne, this is Omkar Wable, India Today, Pune.